We are out here in Bowling Green, Kentucky, Beech Bend Raceway this weekend. So far, a beautiful weekend. Keep my fingers crossed. This is my 4th time coming to LS Fest. We've been out here at Bowling Green quite a few times for Holley Ford Fest as well. But this will be our 4th time competing at LS Fest. Last 2 times here, we were on the podium, I think 2nd and 3rd. So shooting for that #1 spot this weekend. Today's Friday, qualifying and practice at 6 o'clock tonight. Car's ready, I'm ready. Let's get after it. LS Fest is always sick. There's a huge turnout this year. We're record-breaking numbers on all aspects, it seems, as far as spectator turnout, driver turnout in all categories. Whether it's autocross or drag racing, especially drifting. I know there's like maybe 10 or 15 more drivers than they've ever saw in previous years. So that's exciting to me. I mean, anytime an event grows to that level, it's just more fan engagement, direct engagement with people out here that either haven't seen drifting or are returning people to LS Fest and want to see more drifting. And you can tell it by the stands because they are packed. There's not an empty spot on the stands during drifting, and that's a killer to me. So we put on a show, and we're going to do that tonight. I'll hang out for a minute, let it soak in.
You have a big smile on your face.
Yeah, it's huge. First place at LS Fest 2022, man. It was a dogfight. I mean, there wasn't anybody other than the buy round I had in top 32 that that was the easiest run of the day, for sure. But top 16 all the way to the finals, it was. I kept pushing limits a little bit further and further as we went through. it was, you know, everybody was on point, and the judges were super critical of having, they're super critical of the line, you know, being against the wall, being on your marks, more so than being fast. You know, let's say you're 5 car lengths away from the guy, and but he was on his, I mean, but you weren't on your line, and in the chase, you're super close, but the lead driver was on his line. They were rewarding that, so I had to really focus, because our car was fast. You know, I wanted to be faster than everybody else, as you know, anywhere we go, but you know, part of making a car fast, it makes it harder to drive and being able to hit your marks and a lot less room for error. So with all, you know, putting all that into, you know, combining all that, it was, I just had to really be focused tonight. My team, Mike and Hot Sauce over there, they kept my mind in the game, and just, you know, and relax at the same time. So, yeah, that's how that went. Top 32 field out here was insane. Actually 45 plus drivers, so they're our largest event to date for LS Fest. I was definitely glad to be back here. Hadn't been back here in about, you know, it's been about 5 years. And actually last time we were here, we were on the podium then too. I don't think we were first, so I'm definitely excited to be, you know, first here. It was, I don't know, and Juku Racing S14 was on something tonight apparently. Yeah, I don't know. Still hot, still calming down. It's a good night. It's a good weekend.
Sick.
No more, baby.